Okay, man, we're back here working on the QT50. It was in rough shape. We had to order a lot of parts. eBay came through. Everything showed up yesterday. What do we got, Jay?
We had to get a new carb for it. We got the throttle cable, brake shoes. We got the oil delete, the petcock for it because that was all messed up. We got a new gas line, fuel filter. Let's get after it.
Yeah, gas tank's all cleaned out, ready to go. So we're going to start there. We're going to put the petcock in it, put the gas tank back on. I think Jay's going to start with the throttle cable. Let's get it popping. Okay, we got the carburetor on, we got the new petcock installed, the fuel line. Jay's got the throttle cable working mint. Hopefully, we just gotta put a little beer in there and get her fired up. So let's run this thing off a Coors Light. Oh man, Jay, you're gonna waste your whole beer in there. All right, let's turn the gas on, see if there's enough in there. There we go, baby. Getting some fuel down in the carb. We kick it over?
Yeah.
Oh. Maybe we gotta choke it. So far, it's not going good. You know, we were hoping we could just put a couple cheap parts on it from eBay and get it fired right up and take it for a ride, but
It's cost us over $2,000.
all right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and try and tear this down a little bit further, figure out the issue. First thing I'm gonna do is come in and take the muffler off. Jay's gonna take the jug off. We're gonna evaluate that. I might go ahead and pull the rear tire off and do a rear end service, grease up the pinion bearing, pinion gears and all that. So stay tuned. Okay, man. Well, we got the engine torn down. Need some more work. Where are we at, Jay?
We got the engine all torn down to this point. Got the reed valves off of it. Kickstand, all that. And we're going to have to split the cases now and get to the crank and the crank bearings.
Dang, man.
That's the real problem.
You think so? You think if we put crank bearings in it, it's going to work?
Yep.
All right, well, we'll get them ordered up on eBay. And fog machine strobe light next episode.